Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Project 650. In my previous video, which was yesterday, I reviewed and installed GTS Black race chip that supposedly give you extra 84 horsepower and 93 or 95 feet of torque. So yesterday I took a car for a ride, and I made a video, made a review about it, the difference, how it feels from the stock. And I don't know, video got lost in space, couldn't find it on my computer. I don't know what happened to it. So this is just a quick follow-up about that. Even though yesterday's footage, which was way better, I had two GoPros, one at the dash and one way I'm talking to you right now. But I don't know, I might maybe still be able to find it. I don't know, got lost somewhere in the files. I have no idea. I could not find it and post it, of course. So anyway, just a quick follow-up. In comfort mode, I didn't like it. I had the race chip set up on the highest settings, and it's kind of jerky and has a huge lag till it actually picks up the power. So reading something online says, well, I guess you have to lower the settings on a chip itself. Has seven different levels, so you get it in that sweet spot where it's smooth, blah blah blah. Long story short, in a Sport and Sport Plus, it's freaking amazing. Power is instant. Literally makes you sick in the stomach. Doesn't matter you're doing 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, whatever. I mean, you push that gas pedal and you go, and your stomach goes up. So I don't know, me being skeptical to begin with a chip that can deliver 80 something horses, and I believe, yeah, 93 was a pound-feet of torque. But anyway, it was just great. I loved every minute of it. So basically it brings you to this. Could they drain the 84 horses out of the chip? Hey, being a German product, made in Germany, actually was delivered from Germany, was a great delivery time, 3 days from Germany, free shipping. I don't get it, but anyway, was really great. Sport Plus on a level 7 is fantastic. I think right now I'm in a comfort mode, and you can feel that little jerk. There is a higher delay than in a regular standard mode. But Sport Plus, my goodness. Once again, are they able to deliver and drain those horsepower out of the chip? Maybe. Only dyno will show, which I will take this car to a dyno as soon as I find one, an all-wheel drive one, because this is an X-Drive. So, alright, that would be just a quick short follow-up. I wish I could find the other footage from yesterday. If not, I'm gonna make another video with before and after. Of course, you can just set the chip on a 0 setting, which basically brings you to your stock performance. That's why installing the chip, it's, I don't know, I think it's a little bit better, especially if you have a warranty on a vehicle, because you can, take it off, you can shut it off. Does not show any evidence when the dealer digs through it, and plus does not void any warranties. So and I got 2 more years left of warranty on this vehicle, and I don't want to mess with that yet. So that will be all. If you guys love or like concept of the project 650, idea of tuning up 650. Please subscribe, click like button, you know what to do if you want to, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.